In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sales channel on Shopify. Adding sales channels is a great way to reach customers on platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, Google and YouTube, Amazon, and more, all while managing everything from your Shopify admin. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, using TikTok as the example, but the flow is very similar for most sales channels. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see the main search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the small drop-down that appears, choose the option for apps. This tells Shopify that you want to search specifically within apps and sales channels. Now type the name of the sales channel you want to add. For example, you could type TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, Google and YouTube, or whichever channel you want to connect. Once you've typed it, press enter on your keyboard. Shopify will open the Shopify App Store with search results related to what you typed. Look through the results and find the official sales channel app you want to use. When you see it, click on it to open the app's information page. Here you can quickly review what the app does and who it's made by, just to make sure it's the correct one. When you're ready, click the install button, then follow the prompts Shopify gives you to confirm installation and any required permissions. After installation is complete, you'll be taken to that sales channel's dashboard inside Shopify. Each channel has its own setup flow, but the general idea is that you connect your accounts, review permissions, and configure how data and ads are handled. Using TikTok as the example, you'll see a card labeled TikTok for Business. Click Connect on this card, then log into your TikTok business account when prompted. Next, you'll see another card labeled TikTok Business Center account. Click Create, and Shopify will automatically create a Business Center account for your store. After that, move to the card labeled TikTok Ads Manager. If you already have a TikTok Ads Manager account, click Connect and follow the login prompts. If you don't, you may see a Create button instead. Click that, and an Ads Manager account will be created for you, though it may stay under review for a while. You'll also see a card for data sharing. Here, you can choose how much data you want to share between Shopify and TikTok. Typically, you'll see options like Standard, Enhanced, or Maximum. Read the descriptions, pick the option that best fits your business needs and privacy preferences, then click Confirm at the bottom right of that card. Next, you need to set up your company information for the channel. Click the Setup button. A pop-up window will appear asking for your business address, any required tax information, and your preferred payment method settings. You can usually choose between automatic or manual payments, depending on how you want to be billed for ads or services. Take your time to enter accurate information here, then click Confirm at the bottom right of the pop-up. Once all of these cards and setup steps are completed, look toward the bottom right of the sales channel dashboard and click Finish Setup. This tells Shopify and the sales channel that you've completed all the required steps, and your new sales channel will now be active and available within your Shopify admin. That's all you need to do to add a sales channel on Shopify. You can repeat this process for other channels, following the same pattern: search, install, connect accounts, set data sharing, enter business details, and finish the setup.